Welcome back. I hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn how to improve our English language communication skill. My dear friends, if we want to fluent in English language, in English speaking, on that time we must have some basic tips. We must and should understand first some basic tips. So let's start with the first one, that is slow learning is best. My dear friends, you can take English, you can take other languages. We must have a single concept to understand in a slow process. We have to confirm first, we have to maintain a slowly. We have to start each and every languages with a slow process. On that time only we can be perfect, we will be perfect in that subject. This is the first step. Slow learning is the first step to grasp English language properly. Otherwise you can take, if you want to speak English very fastly, you must learn first. The first one is a slow learning. You can take books, you can take novels, you can take poems, but start your reading or learning process very slowly and understand the words. What you are reading exactly, you first understand those words and make a note, and you can learn very slowly. After a few days you can read, you can learn very fastly. So first step is slow learning is the best step to understand our English language. And the second one is learn and study phrases. Yeah, obviously this is the main point. Phrases means nothing but words. If we have a lot of words, lot of English words, and we have much better vocabulary power, on that time only it is very easy to learn English language. Or you can take other any languages. We just understood first phrases, words. Otherwise it's very difficult to understand. What we learn here? Learn and study. First we have to learn phrases. What are the words exactly? And after that we have to study those words, and after you can make a sentences. First you learn making words, grasping words, and after that it will be very easy to understand the sentences, understand the words, and making sentences in our mind. Second one is also a most important sentence to understand. And most important one, third one, that is don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. This is the big issue. Where while you are going to talk with another person, on that time we just doing what is that we are little bit afraid of. Why? Because I am weak in communicating, I am weak in learning English language, and so that's why we are back in speaking English language. First, if you want to be fluent in English language, first don't be afraid to speak. Don't be afraid to speak. Speak what you have, what kind of words, what kind of sentences you have in your mind. On that time only it will be help to increase your vocabulary power. It will be helpful to your sentence concepts. So making mistakes are very important in learning process. Make mistakes first. Learn making mistakes first. On that time only it will be helps to grow up your communication skill. Otherwise it's very difficult. Making mistakes, don't be afraid to make some mistakes while you are going to learning. Then fourth one is the important tip, that is read out loudly. Read out loudly first, and after that, talk to yourself. Very impressive tip this is. It is very impressive tip. Why means read out loud. What we are doing in our home, in our school, in our park, what we are doing, we are just reading silent. We just applied in our life silent reading. Why? Because other persons are disturbed. So that's why read out loud when you are at your home, at your school, at your garden. On that time you just do one thing, that is read loudly. Read loudly first. On that time only it will be helpful to your tongue is totally compatible with the English language. If you are reading very silently, on that time some words are skipping in the sentence while you are reading. If you are reading a very loudly, on that time some words are totally attached, totally applicable with your tongue. On that time it will be useful to increase your speaking skill. And after that, talk to yourself. When you are alone in your home, on that time you just speak out yourself. What we are doing to I like so much, what kind of works I have to do, and what kind of movies I want to watch, what kind of games I want to play. You just speak out yourself first. Don't be afraid to speak yourself. Just make a sentence and speak yourself. Let's go outside. Let's have breakfast. You can take anything, but speak out yourself. And after that, read loudly. On that time only it will be useful to increase your vocabulary power, and also as well as making sentences, and also known as your things. Suppose users think when you are meeting a new person or your older friend, on that time what we will do, we just afraid of. Why? Because oh my god, he is very good in English language, he just fabulous in speaking English. But it is not a big deal, my dear friends. What he has exactly, he has a positive attitude. So that's why he is just very good in English language. So you also do relax first, relax yourself, and have a positive attitude. If you have a simple positive attitude, on that time nobody will going to stop you. If you have relaxation, nobody will going to stop you. If you have positive attitude, everyone respect you. Positive attitude is very important. Just focus on your goal. What is your focus? I want to learn English very fluently. I want to speak English very fluently. So make yourself very positive attitude. Push up yourself into the positive attitude. Don't make nervous while you are speaking English. So that's why these are the 5 important tips to make you a better English speaker. These are the 5 important tips to improve your English language. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. Bye bye.